everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So as you guys can remember, this room from 2, 3, 4 days ago, with all the walls, I was pulling out wire receptacles, just getting stuff out of the walls. So I was back in there today. This is a recap from, like I said, 3, 4 days ago. And now this is what it looks like today. Much different scene. There are literally no walls. It's just the outside walls. No ceilings, obviously. All the walls are gone, like I said, but we were working on demoing conduit, so we made like 4 or 5 trips to the dumpster with pipes that we were just ripping out of the walls. Obviously, there's still some stuff that needs to get done, like taking off this MC right here, taking a few things off of this wall, but on all the outside walls, there are some stuff on the other side, obviously, so that stuff has to stay, but all the stuff that was in this room got taken out and demoed. Like I said, lots of trips out to the dumpster, threw away lots of insulation that we had to pull out of the walls, and then there was some stuff at the very end of the day, a couple last live circuits that we had to lock out, tag out, and get that out of the outside of the containment. So we had to get the containment cart to demo those out of the containment. So anyways, I started out the day with demoing this up in an operating room, taking out these plug strips, taking these blanks and changing them into quads. So once I was done with that, as you can see, there are no more plug strips, and I got the quads in. I got those all labeled, locked those out, tagged them with the critical panels. Each room in the operating room has a critical panel, so it's its own dedicated panel per room, which is cool. So got to lock these out, no problem. Labeled these back, circuit 24 on the left, circuit 30 on the right. So that started out my day, and then I went to demo the rest of the day with some of the other guys, and that was pretty much it. Pretty straightforward day, pretty nice, pretty chill. And then also after this, in the same room while I was there, I went ahead and changed out another smoke detector. So anyways, that was the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll probably have to do the giveaway when I hit 20,000, so it'll be a double giveaway because I don't have time currently, and I will be leaving on a road trip for approximately 30 days starting on Thursday. So I'm only working one more day, and then I will be out of here. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.